Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked the new intro there. I got kind of bored one day and decided to make a new one. Hope you like it. Anyway, this is part 4 of my trains I've caught recently series. Went to Shenandoah Junction, caught some NS trains, and then we had some snow drop this morning, so I caught some trains in the snow. One in the day in Amtrak, and then westbound coal trains. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This first clip is going to be the first train that I caught, which was the day train. So by the way, I decided to start experimenting with different camera angles, so it's gonna stop and then go to a different angle and then stop again and go to a different angle. If you don't like it, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll continue doing what I was originally doing. But yeah, that's the only thing that I have to say for right now. This is PO 29, daily Washington, D.C. to Chicago, Illinois.
Clear signal Pearson, number 1 track westbound.
Okay, so I originally recorded a westbound coal train, but the lighting was terrible, so I'm not gonna put it in here. If you want me to, I can put it in another video, but I'm not putting it in this one because the lighting was terrible. So yeah. Anyway, on to the shots from Shenandoah Junction. Alright, so we're down here at the Shenandoah Junction, and there is currently nothing on the scanner, and the signals up there are all red, so I don't know whenever the next train is coming, but as we sit here and wait, we might be able to catch a NS train off the bridge up here, so I'll keep on the lookout of that. But yeah, we're just waiting. caught one last train that day, and that was the PO-29 that night. I hope you enjoyed this catch. I really did. It had a unit on it that I've never seen before. So, yeah, let's go ahead with it. Let's get the Zamtrak. Mm-hmm.